one.
Hi, I'm Dr.Luong,
I'm Dr. Lee,
and today we'll be showing you the functions and the parts of the kidney.
as well as urine formation.
This is the renal capsule.
Just say it says it's where the nephron start. That's it.
It supports the mass of the kidney and protects the vital tissue. This is the renal cortex. This is where nephrons begin to filter and create hormones called EPD, which help make red blood cells in the bone marrow. This is the renal pelvis. It collects urine from the kidneys and funnels it to the ureter, which then leads to the bladder. This is the renal medulla. This is where urine is collected. It also contains the medullary pyramids, which contain collecting ducts and the nephron loops. This is the medullary pyramid, which is within the renal medulla. It is cone-shaped tissues that has nephron loops and collecting ducts, which collect and eliminate waste.
So this is the medullary pyramids where the Bowman's capsule is located, the loop of Henle, the glomerulus, and the collecting ducts are located. So the Bowman's capsule, its main function is to filter out water, amino acids, glucose, urea, and different types of water out of the blood. The red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets then go back into the blood by the renal veins. And the glomerulus, its function is to force the plasma out of the unfiltered blood and back into the Bowman's capsule. The collecting ducts, its function is to collect urine and transport it to the pelvis through the ureter, and then the loop of Henle works to pump sodium and chlorine out of plasma and water. So this is where the major calyx is located, and this is where the minor calyx is located. The major calyx works to channel the urine towards the renal pelvis, and the minor calyx is the direct collector of urine.
This is the ureter. The ureter carries the urine from the renal pelvis to the bladder. This is the path of urine formation. Each kidney contains more than 1 million nephrons, which has a glomerulus. Blood flows to the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule. In the glomerulus, the plasma is forced out of the unfiltered blood and into the Bowman's capsule. Then, in the proximal convoluted tubule, reabsorbs 80% of the solutes in the plasma from the Bowman's capsule. Then, the glucose, amino acids, and lots of water are reabsorbed by tissues surrounded by the tissue near the proximal tubule.
The loop of Henle then pumps sodium and chlorine out of the plasma and water. Then it goes to the distal convoluted tubule where it absorbs sodium, water, and carbonate. It then secretes potassium, H+ drugs, ethanol, and toxins, water, and plasma. It then goes to the collecting ducts where it reabsorbs water and secretes all waste from the distal tubule into the major and minor calyx, where the urine is then temporarily stored. The urine then goes to the urinal pelvis, then it flows to the ureter where it is then stored in the bladder, then it is excreted when you use the restroom.